Welcome to Tammy's Rippin' Kitchen. So today we'll be making some ramen soup, and we do have to do some prep work in the morning. So I'm going to get started on that now. We're going to cut up the veggies and make the marinade. So I'll be cutting up some mushrooms, baby bok choy, a shallot, an onion, and a carrot. And next will be the marinade. So I've got coconut aminos, maple syrup, an orange, a lemon, garlic powder, ginger powder, and some onion powder. And onto the veggies it goes, and that will marinate for the afternoon. And now it's time to spiralize some cucumber. And here I use my handy dandy scissors to cut up the cucumber so it's not quite as long. They work really well. I would definitely get some if I were you, if you're spiralizing a lot of veggies. So here we're on to the broth for the soup. I've got some dates, garlic, coconut aminos, miso paste, turmeric, ginger, and some black pepper. So I did this in my small container, and I should have done it in the blender. You'll see later I just put the whole amount in my blender, so if you're wondering what happened to that, this just went into my blender. I needed to do 3 to 4 cups of water in there, so I did need to put it in a bigger container. So here you'll take the liquid that's left from the veggies and put it into the blender also. Here liquid was added into the veggies. The cucumber noodles were placed in the bowl, and then everything just went on top. And there you have it, a beautiful bowl of ramen noodle soup.